Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Varun Kumar SEO and Tech Guy. So, guys, in this video, I want to talk about is Upwork. So, I have made 9K on Upwork, totaling 8,700. It's around 9K. So, what I want to talk about is how to create project catalogs. This is my second catalog. This is my first catalog. Rank one on Google Maps. This is do SEO audit. This is you will create high citation directly backlinks, and this is YouTube SEO. For that, we have to have a good amount of views, subscribers on our channel or website. This is the website which I am creating. Done. So I have aimed 10 keywords for this website. So these are 10 keywords: with consultant, SEO, agency, SEO specialist. So guys, let's go back to Upwork. So how do we create this project catalog? When this project catalog you have to create, and after it is created, you will get a notification here. See, congratulations, your project catalog has been approved. So let's see what I've done to create this project catalog. Let's go inside the project. So what I'm giving here is you will rank one on Google Maps or Google. I have put a picture of myself and website technical audit, GMB optimization, increase organic visibility, on page optimization, quality backlinks. This is what I'm giving: $80 starter, $120 standard, and $60 advanced. So number of delivery days can be 20, 30. SEO takes time. And in project details, these all build high quality backlinks, build increase your ranking, verify Google business or any changes required, citations, map, etc. for your Google business, add local schema. So all these, and then your reviews, etc. They will see and decide that whether uh, you will be get a project or not. But you will get projects once your project catalog is approved. You will get even more projects. So guys, that is what I want to talk about in the video. I'm currently working in a company. I've left this one. I'm currently working in another company. I'm going to join it on Monday. So that's it. Like and subscribe, and I will update new video how to get 10,000. See, my total views have crossed 10,000 on the YouTube channel. So how to get 10,200 to 20,000 etc. views on YouTube. That will be the next one. So keep subscribing and keep watching my channel, Varun Kumar SEO and Review Guy.